Hashtag Lunar Watchtower, an analysis of UFO moon base conspiracy theories. Hashtag Introduction. The enduring mystery of the moon. The moon has long been a source of fascination for humanity, symbolizing both scientific discovery and imaginative speculation. Since the space age, it has become a focal point for conspiracy theories, particularly those involving extraterrestrial ET activity. Among these, the belief in a concealed UFO base on the moon stands out as one of the most enduring and controversial narratives. This theory gained momentum during the 1960s space race, fueled by skepticism surrounding the Apollo missions and the abrupt cessation of lunar exploration after 1972. For many, the moon has become a canvas for cosmic secrecy and alien intrigue. This report delves into the origins, core claims, and scientific rebuttals of the UFO moon-based conspiracy, exploring why such theories persist and what they reveal about humanity's relationship with the unknown. Hashtag Core Claims and the evidence for lunar bases. The UFO moon-based conspiracy rests on three primary categories of alleged evidence: anomalous physical properties of the moon, interpretations of lunar imagery, and suppressed astronaut testimony. The hollow moon and spaceship moon hypothesis. The most radical claim is the spaceship moon hypothesis, which posits that the moon is an artificially constructed vessel placed in orbit by an advanced alien civilization. Proponents cite seismic data from the Apollo missions, particularly the ringing like a bell phenomenon observed after the Apollo 12 lunar module's ascent stage was crashed onto the lunar surface. They argue that such prolonged vibrations suggest a hollow or reinforced structure. Additionally, the moon's lower density, 3.3 g cm3, compared to Earth's 5.5 g cm3, is interpreted as evidence of a large, empty interior. This theory gained traction in 1970, when Soviet authors Michael Vosin and Alexander Sherbakov published an article proposing the moon as an engineered artifact. 2. Photographic anomalies and alleged structures. Conspiracy advocates often point to grainy or high-contrast images from NASA missions, claiming they reveal non-natural structures on the moon's far side. These include towers and spires, needle-like formations protruding from craters, geometric bases, rectangular or circular structures appearing too regular to be natural, saucer-shaped indentations, features suggesting docking or storage facilities within lunar lava tubes. Researchers like Fred Steckling and George H. Leonard have popularized these claims, arguing that NASA has actively concealed evidence of alien structures. 3. Astronaut testimony and cover-up claims. The conspiracy also hinges on alleged suppressed testimony from Apollo astronauts. Rumors persist that astronauts observed alien activity or were warned off by lunar inhabitants. One unverified anecdote involves Neil Armstrong's supposed radio message stating that the astronauts were being watched. These claims are used to explain the halt of manned lunar missions after Apollo 17, suggesting a secret agreement to leave the moon to its alleged inhabitants. Hashtag the scientific and historical rebuttal. While these claims are imaginative, mainstream science and historical evidence provide robust explanations. Deconstructing the hollow moon. The ringing like a bell phenomenon is attributed to the moon's dry, fractured composition, which allows seismic waves to travel longer without being dampened. The density difference is explained by the moon's lack of a large iron core, unlike Earth. Lunar seismology and gravity mapping confirm that the moon is not hollow but has a dense core and mantle. 2. Explaining photographic anomalies. Alleged structures are overwhelmingly attributed to poor image resolution, processing errors, and pareidolia, the tendency to perceive familiar patterns in random stimuli. Modern missions, such as the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter (LRO), have provided high-resolution imagery of the lunar surface, revealing no credible evidence of artificial structures. 3. The implausibility of a cover-up. The sheer size of a lunar base would require a decades-long, multinational cover-up involving thousands of scientists, a logistical impossibility. The Soviet Union, which independently tracked Apollo missions, would have exposed any such conspiracy. Hashtag inclusion. The enduring appeal of lunar mystery. The UFO moon base conspiracy is less about verifiable evidence and more about humanity's need to fill cosmic voids with extraordinary explanations. The sudden halt of lunar exploration, the vastness of space, and mistrust of powerful institutions like NASA create fertile ground for such theories. While scientific evidence points to natural formations and misinterpreted data, the narrative of a concealed alien base remains a powerful cultural touchstone. The moon, as a neutral territory and permanent watchtower, continues to embody humanity's fascination with the unknown, cementing its status as the final frontier of cosmic conspiracy. This enduring mystery underscores our innate desire to explore, question, and imagine, ensuring that the moon remains not just a celestial body, but a symbol of limitless possibility. Key takeaways. 1. The moon's allure lies in its dual role as a scientific target and a canvas for human imagination. 2. Conspiracy theories thrive on ambiguity, misinterpretation of data, and mistrust of authority. 3. Scientific explanations provide clarity but cannot fully dispel the allure of the unknown. 4. Cultural impact of such theories highlights humanity's enduring fascination with extraterrestrial life and cosmic mysteries. The moon remains a testament to our endless curiosity and the stories we weave to make sense of the universe.